Good morning and welcome back to the channel. Today we are on a catch and cook mission, a cutthroat catch and cook mission. We just got done camping. Bill is packing up over there. I got Kai behind the camera. We're gonna gang up all 3 float tubes today and do a little catch and cook. I don't even think Kaya has ever caught a cutthroat trout. I don't think Bill's caught a cutthroat trout. We're headed up the trail about a half a mile here, and then we're gonna hike down about 1.5 miles to a very special lake at the bottom of James Peak. Here we go. Bill, what are we doing?
We're going fishing.
We're gonna catch some trouts.
Big ones. Big ones.
And we're gonna cook them with bacon.
And eggs.
And it's gonna be tasty. Ready to roll?
Let's go.
Let's go! At the trailhead here, and the lake we were gonna fish, which you can see there's a little lake and then a bigger lake up there, and they are really muddy for some reason. So I think instead now we're gonna pivot and we're gonna fish that lake, which is called Little Echo Lake and has lake trout in it. I think that's the plan. All right, we're on the water. Bill is fishing with a leader today because he is going to try to outfish everybody with a leader, proving Mr. Braidmaster wrong. Kai is fishing with good old Berkeley Power Nymph. It is a pink color with an orange tipped jig head. She's going straight to braid. And I'm gonna give her a little cast action, just like this.
Fish on.
Hey, fish on! All right, Bill. Bill's got the first one. Bill, is this your first lake trout?
Yeah?
I think it is.
I'll let him tire out a little, huh?
Under the boat. Under the boat. Oh yeah, nice one, Bill.
Come on, buddy. Into the net. Not under the net. Into the net. Yay.
Good job, Bill. That was fun. You start casting out like Bill.
Let me show you. It's my fish. Can confirm it is a fish. That's a trout right there. That's what they look like.
Oop. Reeling up, yeah, don't reel up that much. There you go, yep. You got it, you got it. Huh? Yeah, it's pretty bad. I thought there was one. Nice. I just let it sink. That feels actually pretty decent. That's awesome. We're fishing in the rain, ladies and gents. Braving it. Bill won't let us go back to shore. He's like, F you guys. I'm here to catch fish.
No hypothermia, never heard.
Kaya's like, what are you guys doing dragging me up here? Oh yeah, that's a decent one. That was awesome. So here's the technique I use, ladies and gentlemen. I put on a spinner while these guys got on their Berkeley Power Nymphs. And I just let that sucker sink. Sink, 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 like 40 seconds. And then eventually a lake trout bit it. And now we're gonna eat him. And there he is. Right in front of you, one splashed. Hands a little cold? Yeah. There we go. Oh, yep, got him. There's Kaya's fish. All right, Kaya's got a fish to eat. We're good. We're good. We made a today out of it. Come on, fish. Come on in, buddy. Come on, buddy. Sweet. We got breakfast slash lunch slash brunch. We did it, Bill. We actually did it. You settle down, buddy. You're gonna be in somebody's belly soon. Bill, welcome back to camp. Let me introduce you to Binner. If you've never heard of Binner before, Binner is a combination of breakfast and dinner. Look it up. Here's what we've got for Binner. We're gonna cook a little bit of bacon. We're gonna cook it about halfway done, and then we're gonna stuff it into our delicious lake trout from about 11,000 feet in the air. We're actually gonna put, because these little guys are a little bit smaller, we're actually gonna end up putting them, stuffing them right there in the cavity, okay? That's where we're gonna stuff that bacon. When it's about half done, then we're gonna cook the fish all the way done, and it'll finish out the bacon. The moment of truth, however, do we have any eggs left? After hiking around, and it looks like we have 7 eggs left, Bill, 7 eggs! So that's what's gonna be for Binner. Here we go. So I need to cut the heads off here, Bill. That's the first order of action to get these ready for the pan. Cut those heads off. We're going to cut the tail off of each one as well, otherwise they don't fit in the pan. Ooh, I should change my blade. It's pretty bad. Let's see if I got some. Little blade change, a little dull. You're probably thinking, hey, Mr. Psycho. Hey, Fishing with Lance. Seems like your knife's a little dull. Well, it was. There. Now it should be nice. Oh, yeah. Way better cuts. Ginsu knife. Via Milwaukee. Yeah, way easier. Way better.
Lance, would you say that a carpenter's knife is way better than a fillet knife for this purpose?
You know, I'm specifically using a carpenter's knife because it's better for this very purpose. In fact, it's almost better for every purpose.
You know who was a carpenter?
Jesus was a carpenter. Now the question is, was Jesus a framing carpenter or was Jesus a finished carpenter? And if you said framing, that's blasphemy, because he's a finished carpenter. Give these guys a little stir. Oh yeah, we're getting halfway. We're getting close to halfway, probably about a third right now. And then, yeah, will these fit? Let's see if these will fit, huh, Bill? That fits? Oh, that's perfect. All right, Bill, now what?
Did you really think it was possible?
Oh my God! He comes through in a pinch, Doritos! Let's see what they taste like. See if they're real legit. They could be knockoffs. Bill, thank you.
We're never out of Doritos.
We're never. It'd be awesome if Doritos was a sponsor.
Doritos, call it.
All right. Now I'm going to stuff these with the bacon. Just like that. I'm just filling that bacon, filling that fish back up with bacon. That's exactly what I wanted in the stomach tonight. When it came out of the water today, it told me and Bill that. Like, I would appreciate some bacon in my belly. Fishing, guys. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for the plating. We have our delicious, beautifully cooked, fresh lake trout stuffed with bacon. I'm going to plate those first. One trout per happy camper. Very cozy meal. We're going to have that with a side of scrambled eggs.
It's about how many calories do you think this meal is?
This meal is probably a whopping calories.
Is that why we're gonna have dinner in an hour?
That's why we're gonna be cooking dinner in about 2 hours. All right, let's eat, Bill.